Good morning to one and all. We are proceeding further for the next part of the unit 4 of the analytical. We have started already that unit 4, that is a extraction or say method of separation is there, right? Just I am sharing the screen. We have seen also the factors affecting the solvent extraction. Now we have to proceed further for the next part of this particular lesson. Okay, up to the process of solvation, we have finished that part. Now we have to talk about the graph of the percentage extraction versus the pH. In the solvent extraction, there is a graph of percentage extraction versus the pH. Now, to analyze the sample, the amount of amount extracted in a single extraction is more convenient because multiple extraction though efficient tends to be tedious. Though efficient tends to tedious. A relation between percentage extraction and the distribution ratio can be arrived at in a following manner. अभी जैसे कि W1 is equal to VW upon V0D plus VW into A. Okay, where VW is the volume of the aqueous phase, V0 is the volume of the organic phase, A is the initial amount, and this W is the final amount. The amount extracted will be A minus W1. अभी W1 क्यों है तो first step, first extraction, first loss में जितना weight मिला है that is the fraction X of the original amount. The fraction of the original amount A that has been extracted will be A minus W1 upon A. That is X is equal to A minus W1 upon A, which is equal to 1 minus W1 upon A. Then you can substitute for the W1. W1 क्या था हमारे पास VW upon V0D plus VW into A. You can substitute for the W1 over here. वहां से A चला जाएगा. VW upon V0D plus VW that will be left. Simplify this. X is equal to, अगर इसको simplify करेंगे तो V0D plus VW minus VW divided by V0D plus VW. On dividing RHS by V0 we get, अभी V0 से क्या करेंगे RHS को अपन divide करेंगे हर एक टर्म को, जहाँ से V0 वो कट ऑफ हो जाएगा. ओके, VW by V0 minus VW by this particular things will get cancel. ये तो cancel ही होने वाला है. V0 dy upon V0. ओके, ये V0 will get cancel. Left term will be the D divided by D plus VW upon V0. Then the percentage extraction is equal to E is equal to 100 into X. into X. अभी X क्या है B upon D plus VW upon V0. Then you can substitute that terms in that E. Percentage extraction depends upon the distribution ratio as well as the volume ratio of the two phases VW upon V0. Consider the metal ion Mn plus in the aqueous solution reacting with the chelating agent HR. Also in the same phase, HR will dissociate as HR का डिसोसिएशन कैसे होगा वो आपको यहाँ पे दिया है. ओके, n number of HR molecules are there. N number of HR molecules are there. That will gives you the NH plus plus NR minus. The a neutral metal chelate complex will be formed as Mn plus Nr minus will gives you MRN. This can be extracted into the organic phase. The distribution ratio D is the ratio of the amount of metal extracted as a complex into the organic phase to the remaining in all form in aqueous phase. अभी जैसे ऑर्गेनिक में आने वाला MRN डिवाइडेड बाय MRN W प्लस Mn प्लस W. अभी जैसे कि मेटल एटम कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म किया वो ऑर्गेनिक फेज में आ जाएगा, MRN होगा. अभी कोई सब ऑर्गेनिक फेज में आएगा क्या? नहीं. तो रिमेनिंग पार्ट विल बी इन द एक्वियस फेज आल्सो. अभी ये जो सॉल्वेंट एक्सट्रैक्शन है यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखना है कि हाउ वी कैन डू द एक्सट्रैक्शन. There should be the two phases. One will should be the aqueous and another should be the organic. जो हमारा हमें जिसको सेपरेट आउट करना है या जिसको हम जिसे कहते हैं कि जिसे एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है, that will always go into the organic phase and the waste will remain in the that particular aqueous phase. तो इसलिए डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रेशियो का आपको एक्चुअल डेफिनेशन दिया है यहाँ पे. Considering dissociation constant of complex and reagent as well as the partition coefficient of the complex and the reagent, the expression for the D can be written as log D is equal to log K star plus N into pH. Okay, where K star is equal to K into concentration of HR raised to N. The percentage of solid extracted E is given by log E log E minus, just I am checking it, log E minus, this is also the log log 100 minus E is equal to log D, which is equal to log K star plus N pH. Okay, the distribution of the metal in a given system is a function of the pH alone. It is a very much important as far as the MCQ is concerned. When the percentage extraction is plotted against the pH gives the sigmoid curve. The position of the pH axis depends only on the magnitude of the K star and the slope depends upon the N. The some theoretical extraction curves for the divalent are shown below. Divalent मतलब divalent metal ion. अब यह परसेंटेज ऑफ द मेटल एक्सट्रैक्शन इनटू द ऑर्गेनिक फेज E आपको दिया है. परसेंटेज मतलब 0 से 100 तक जाएगा. उसके बाद में यहाँ पे दिया आपको 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ओके, दिस इज एन पीएच. पीएच क्या क्या चेंज होता है, कितना परसेंटेज है, ये ग्राफ आपको दिया है यहाँ पे. ओके, then pH half is very much important. pH half is defined as the pH value at the 50% extraction. The above figure shows how the position of the curve depends upon the magnitude of K star. It also shows how the slope of the curve depends upon its end. Okay, pH half is equal to minus 1 upon minus I upon N, okay, log to the K star. The difference in pH of value of the two metal ion in a specific system is a measure of the separability of the two ions. The pH half values are sufficiently far apart, then the excellent separation can be achieved by the controlling pH of the extraction. The data for the extraction of the metal dithiozonates okay, in the chloroform is mentioned below. आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया है कि मेटल डाइथाइजोन, कॉपर का मेटल डाइथाइजोन कौन से पीएच के ऊपर प्रॉपर रहेगा. तो ये एक पीएच रहेगा तो कॉपर रहेगा, 1 से 2 रहेगा तो मर्क्यूरी, 1 से 2 पे सिल्वर भी आता है. ओके, देन another metal, okay, देन कोबाल्ट इज देयर, जिंक, निकेल, पीबी। तो आप जैसे pH बढ़ाते जाएंगे तो क्या होगा, ओ मेटल एटम क्या करेगा, सेपरेट होता जाएगा। pH वैल्यूज कैन बी अल्टर्ड टू इंक्रीज द सिलेक्टिविटी ऑफ एक्सट्रैक्शन बाय यूज ऑफ द मास्किंग एजेंट। इफ Cu and Ag are to be separated by the extraction with the dithiazine in CCl4 at pH 2, okay, EDTA must be added, which forms water soluble complex and masks the Cu and Ag. Cu and Ag can be extracted। अगर Cu Ag कॉम्प्लेक्स आपके पास है और दोनों का नियर अबाउट pH जो है सेम है, एक के दो के रेंज में, तो एक को क्या करने का, मास्क करने का मास्किंग रिएजेंट से, और फिर अनदर यू कैन दैट पर्टिकुलर विल बी एक्सट्रैक्टेड, जैसे कि Ag को एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं। अभी क्रेग्स करंट काउंटर करंट एक्सट्रैक्शन, दिस मेथड इज यूज्ड व्हेन D values are close to 1 in liquid extraction, which use a multi-stage operation called counter current extraction। Counter current extraction, in this method two immiscible solvents are brought into contact as they flow through each other in the opposite direction। This technique can be used when the solids to be separated। अभी काउंटर करंट, ये जो मेथड है क्रेग्स काउंटर करंट एक्सट्रैक्शन, कब एप्लीकेबल है, एमसीक्यूज के लिए आ सकता है, डी वैल्यूज आर क्लोज टू द 1। This technique can be used when the solids to be separated have small difference in their distribution ratio। It is a multiple distribution process with a large number of stages। Craig's and Post devised a glass apparatus which is called as a Craig's counter current extractor। ओके, यहाँ पे आपका डायग्राम दिख रही है, ये दिस इज अ सिंगल सेपरेशन चेंबर इन द क्रेग काउंटर करंट एक्सट्रैक्टर। अभी ABCD क्या है, दैट विल सी। इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ as many as 300 to 400 separating chambers connected in the form of a train। जैसे कि ट्रेन का बोगी जो रहते हैं उसको कैसे कनेक्ट करते हैं, सिमिलर वे यू कैन कनेक्ट द नंबर ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्सट्रैक्टर। द एक्सट्रैक्टेड and the solution containing the solute are introduced to the A and B। A and B में क्या करते हैं, इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं।
अभी जो अप्रूवल आया है वो देशमुख नाम से, तो अभी जो दे रहे हो वो कौन सा दो, फैराडे के नाम से कि देशमुख के नाम से?
Okay, A and in the chamber A and B, what you can do, extractant and the solution containing the solute are introduced through the A and B and equilibrated there। When the two phases are separated, the apparatus is tilted so that the upper layer gets decanted through the C and collected in D। जैसे कि इसको ये करने का, टिल्ट करने के बाद क्या होगा, C and D में चला जाएगा। When the apparatus is again made vertical, the liquid in the D passes through E into the next equilibrium chamber। Equilibrium chamber similar to B। The lighter component of the given sample travel at different rate depending upon their distribution ratio and then collected is in the separate group of chamber। जैसे कि जिसका जैसे distribution ratio रहेगा वैसा उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएंगे। ना एप्लीकेशन है करंट काउंटर का, सेपरेशन ऑफ पेप्टाइड्स के लिए इसका यूजफुल होता है, which having the higher molecular weight 500 to 5000। Some antibiotics and certain hormones are polypeptides which are successfully purified। Then crude thyrosidine, okay, from the bacterial source can be separated into its three major components and several minor components A, B and C। Then fractionation of peptides, peptide hormones from posterior pituitary gland has been achieved। A combination of 2-butanol and a 0.1 molar aqueous acid is used in number 1 final purification of that synthetic oxytocin and comparing with the naturally occurring hormones, isolation and characterization of the corticotrophic hormone ACTH from the anterior pituitary for the purification of pharmaceutical preparation. Okay, ये है applications है. Then we have to talk about the solid extraction जिसमें SP आता है. Solid phase extraction भी कहा जाता है. पहला था liquid वाला. We have finished the liquid. In the next lecture we will talk about the solid phase and then we will compare solvent and the solid phase extraction. और second इसका जो ये है ये HPLC है. ओके इसके ऊपर अभी एमसीक्यूज आप प्रिपेयर करो फॉर योर ओन पर्पस. जो मैं हाईलाइट करके बता रहा हूं दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. जैसे कि अभी सॉलिड एक्सट्रैक्शन में सॉल्वेंट एक्सट्रैक्शन के बहुत सारे लिमिटेशंस आते हैं, इसलिए न्यू फेज ऑफ दैट न्यू सॉर्ट ऑफ दैट एक्सट्रैक्शन इज अ सॉलिड एक्सट्रैक्शन. अभी क्या क्या लिमिटेशंस है सॉल्वेंट एक्सट्रैक्शन. एक्सट्रैक्टिंग सॉल्वेंट मस्ट बी वाटर इमिसिबल फॉर एक्वेस सैंपल. व्हेन द सॉल्वेंट्स are shaken vigorously, there is a chance of formation of emulsion which creates the problem during quantity analysis. Large volume of the organic solvent is used, generates large volume of the waste, hence disposal. Environmental hazards. In most of cases, the procedures are manually performed and may require a back extraction. To avoid these difficulties, solid phase extraction is used. It is widely used technique for the sample cleanup and concentration prior to the chromatographic analysis. Okay. अभी क्यों सॉलिड फेज एक्सट्रैक्शन पिक्चर में है, तो ये ढेर सारे इसके 5 जो है ड्रॉबैक्स है, लिमिटेशंस है. दे ड्यू टू दैट द एसपी कम इन द पिक्चर. अभी एसपी क्या है? इन दिस टेक्निक हाइड्रोफोबिक ऑर्गेनिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप आर केमिकली बॉन्डेड टू द सॉलिड सरफेस लाइक द powdered silica. Okay. This group will interact with the hydrophobic organic components of the sample by the van der Waals forces and extract them from an aqueous sample in contact with the solid surface. These compounds which are extracted and separated from the sample are subsequently eluted with solvents like the methanol. Process. The powdered phase is packed in a small cartridge similar to the प्लास्टिक सिरिंज. ये देखो आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं सिरिंज के जैसा उसका प्रोजेक्शन है डायग्राम. बहुत सिंपल टेक्निक है ये. सैंपल इज प्लेस्ड इन द कार्ट्रिज एंड फोर्स थ्रू बाय मींस ऑफ प्लंजर दैट इज अ पॉजिटिव प्रेशर or a vacuum that is a negative pressure or by centrifugation. Trace organic molecules are extracted, pre-concentrated on the column and separated away from the sample matrix. Then they can be eluted with a solvent such as methanol and subjected to the chromatographic analysis. The nature of the extracting phase depends upon the classes of the compounds. सिंपल है कि यहाँ पे लोड करने का, उसको सिरिंज से प्रेस करने का आयन में, और बाद में जो आएगा उसे मिथेनॉल के साथ में सॉल्वेंट यूज करके उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करने का. दिस इज अ सॉलिड फेज एक्सट्रैक्टर. SP technique have a variety of application dependent on the determination of organic component in drinking water, environmental application to check the impurity profile in the pharmaceutical, analysis of the wine and other alcoholic beverages, determination of the drugs abuse. Drugs abuse and prescribed drugs in the biological. बायोलॉजिकल फ्लूइड, ये इसके एप्लीकेशन से एडवांटेजेस यूजिंग द कार्ट्रिज इंटरफेरेंस is removed, higher selectivity for wide variety of the sample matrix, high recoveries of and good reproducibility, cleaner extractants, lower solvent volume, analyte is easily recovered as late solvent is to be evaporated. Limitations: greater complexity and difficult to master its uses, lengthy method development, greater cost per sample. These are the disadvantages और limitations. अभी comparison क्या है? Solid phase में extraction done with the powdered phase like silica. It is done with the immiscible solvent. Immiscible solvent. Solvent requirements are reduced. Large volume of the organic solvents are used. Any that amenable to automation needs to be carried out manually. Easier recovery of the analyte as less solvents is to be evaporated. May require back extraction. Eluting solvent need not to be water immiscible. Here, extracting solvent which must be water immiscibles are limited. No chance of emulsion formation, possibility of emulsion formation as the extracting solvent is water immiscible. Difficulty in uses and method development, easier to perform, greater cost per sample, less expensive. These are the comparative points of this particular two techniques, SPE and that particular solvent extraction. Solvent extraction जो है उसको overcome करने के लिए क्या आया है? That is solid phase extraction. उसके बाद में सेकेंड जो लेसन है हाई परफॉर्मेंस लिक्विड क्रोमेटोग्राफी है आपका, दैट वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. Here we will stop. Thank you.